In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use margin trading on Robinhood from your PC. We'll go through each step together, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to enable margin on your account, how to buy stocks using margin, and what important things you need to keep in mind before you get started. First, open Robinhood on your PC and log in with your account details. Once you're in, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Account tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Investing. This section is where you manage your investments and see all your options related to stocks and funds. Now, on your investing page, look for the option that says Enable Margin. If you haven't already set up margin on your account, you'll need to click this. Robinhood will present you with a margin agreement. Take a few moments to review the agreement thoroughly, since it contains essential information about the risks and responsibilities involved in using borrowed money to invest. Once you're comfortable with the terms, go ahead and accept them to enable margin on your account. After you've accepted the agreement, you'll remain on the investing page. You'll notice that your buying power, meaning the amount of money you can use to buy stocks or ETFs, has now increased. This new figure reflects not only your current cash balance, but also the margin funds you're now able to borrow. Always pay attention to this number, because it shows your total purchasing power, including margin. Next, if you want to buy a stock or ETF on margin, simply click on the security you're interested in. Click Buy, and if margin is activated and being used, you'll see a notification right there on the order screen, making it clear that you're about to use borrowed funds. Enter the amount you'd like to purchase, review your order to make sure everything looks correct, and then finalize your purchase by clicking Buy. It's a good idea to keep track of exactly how much margin you're using. To do this, return to the Account tab and then select Margin Investing. Here, you can check your current margin balance, which shows how much money you're borrowing at the moment. Now, before you dive in, let's talk about the reality of using margin with Robinhood. Margin allows you to buy more stocks than you could with just your available cash, which definitely amplifies your buying power. However, remember that interest will be charged on any money you borrow. The more you borrow, the more interest accrues over time. Losses can also be bigger than expected because gains and losses are both magnified with margin. So, it's crucial never to borrow more than you can comfortably cover. Keep in mind that Robinhood, like most brokers, requires you to maintain a certain percentage of your account's value, usually about 25 to 30% of your borrowed funds. If your account falls below this, you might face a margin call, which requires you to deposit more money or sell assets. That's everything you need to know to get started with margin investing on Robinhood from your PC. Always make sure to invest carefully and stay informed about your borrowing status so you can use margin wisely and responsibly.